to move. You have the same bottle.
You might actually get no plus hours.
Fun hearts up too.
Okay, so we're done with your bag. So we're moving on to the color violet and black pink. Right?
Yeah.
Violet, black, and pink.
Sisters.
Ate Mikaela's bag.
So I think it's the same. Like this. So I just start with. So guys, it also looks the same as my bag, but it just has a different color. And there's
Design.
designs on it. So we're gonna start here because last time we started in the back, so we're gonna start in the front now. So then this also small space for your computer. Anything. And so don't think of it.
And the second,
The second one has also the same, but it's black now. And then
you could put your documents, these papers or pad paper.
or a pencil case. And then in the
Inside.
side,
Ooh, there's also a...
I still don't know what this for.
It's for not to move. You have the same bottle.
You might actually get the no plus hours.
You have the same red bottle.
And then it's also the same.
Oh, you...
I just need the scissors.
Here's the scissors.
After this is blue. So this is the lunchbox. I'm just gonna open it up like that.
It's also a huge bag.
Like the other one.
Just be careful with the zipper.
And
then
then
here's
also
the-
same as this.
But it's black.
Yes, it's
Right?
color black. And it's still like
Yes. Okay.
I have to do this now.
And then on the sideways, on the side part,
Here is this is for snacks, and my sister will get 1,000 of these and tomorrow.
you're making a joke with ate.
And now in the
The
back
back
side,
side.
it's hard to pull.
This one is the handle.
Handle. It's actually so wobbly if you don't do that. And then there's also a cover for if it's really dusty.
It has a bag cover for the
Like
dust or rain, right?
And now there is a zipper where you could put here and this stuff or snacks. So there's a name, address, cell phone, school, and reception. So there's a huge one that my sister cannot even.
So she could put there also some of her changing clothes, like after her PE, right?
We don't really
Or
have
to her dance club. After her dance club, she
I
could
don't
put...
think she has a dance club.
She has a dance club. Yes. And then what else? So on the other side here, it also has a water jug holder. Water holder, right? So we're already done with Ate's
And
bag.
you could actually carry it, but
Yeah.
I don't do that today. And you can,
You can also carry it, but it's much better to
yeah.
use the handle. Okay? Right? We could put this lunch bag at the back of
Oh, you
the...
could do it with that.
And in front of the handle, yeah.
And you just
Yes, you're going to do that. Yeah. Okay, so we're done with it. Moving on the...
You're going for
traveling bag. So it is also a hawk bag, and and it at first in front it has, open it,
In front there is a space.
a space, so maybe you could put there some of the toiletries.
Or thing.
Toiletries.
Oh, things.
Yeah, like the shampoo. You could open the handle. It's a strap handle. And then you could open here. This one. You do it, ate. Careful lang with the, it's a huge one. You could put everything there. You could hide there. I think not. Are you going to hide there?
You have a hiding place. I will hide here.
So there, and then it has a side pocket also.
Yeah, like this one. This is mine.
So you could also put some of your
Like
things here.
shampoos, sunglasses.
And then on the other side, it also has another.
Another one.
Yeah.
Like you can put toys, fan caps.
Looks like it's a big traveling bag, right, Myiesha?
I can hide here. But I think he's fit right now.
You cannot fit there.
I can sit here. I can see myself lying down here.
You cannot do that.
So this is how you the traveling bag is.
Okay, last but not the least, the wallet.
So I wish I forgot there's a strap and you could actually see the strap.
Yeah. This one, you could carry it using the strap, or this one.
Or
This
small
one.
one.
This one, the handle bag.
Time to move in the wallet. Wallet one is always the last one. So in the wallet there's so much things. There's stickers. Yeah, and this is for
Stickers.
this handle. There's also a card. And then
It shows that you visit our official store for our promo and discount. Thank you
And
for
then they also
purchase.
it looks like a Pokemon.
This is
like
a
a Pokemon.
This is a repair and warranty card. So this is important. So you need to keep this.
Why is that so important?
So that if there's a damage, they could repair it.
So there's also another card. It looks like the game that
No, it only tells you when it started. And
So I just noticed, guys, that if you
materials being used, right? It started 1978, and it is a durable material, dual exterior, easy slide, pockets, multiple card organizers,
doing like that.
fully lined,
I'm doing like that, but I
interior
feel like
with
it's not
DuraShield lining, water repellent material, lightweight and easy to carry design.
I think you can do like that, but I know it doesn't make any sense.
Okay, so you could put
I
here.
just saw this, but
You could put there some of your secret pocket.
or their coins.
No, cannot put coins. Only the cards. So you could put here different cards, and then here
Huge one, I don't know.
is you could put the money, right? So we're already done.
So we're finally done unboxing every bag or wallet. So because these things are huge, super huge. hope you like this video, guys. Please subscribe, like, and share. See you next time, guys. Bye. I will have no more troubles with my bag and water. Bye.
Subscribe, like,